Let me show you how to program a code for your Guardian Operator keypad.
First, you're going to locate the yellow Learn button on the back of your Guardian Operator. You're going to press that button and a light's going to come on and it's going to beep as well.
With the button pressed and the yellow light on, come to your keypad and you're going to type in the code that you want. You can do 2 to 6 digits. So we're going to just use 0, 0, 0, 1, and then you're going to press and hold enter. And if you just heard, the back of the operator beeped, so that's how you know that it's programmed. So let's try it again. 0, 0, 0, 1. Press enter. And there you go. If you have any problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us.